Have you ever wondered what sets Sencha tea and matcha apart? Both are beloved Japanese green teas, but they couldn't be more different in taste, preparation, and benefits. Stay tuned because you're about to discover 7 fascinating differences that will change how you view these iconic teas forever. Sencha tea and matcha have captivated tea enthusiasts worldwide. While both are made from the Camellia sinensis plant, their unique preparation methods and characteristics make them stand out in the world of green tea. But how do you decide which one is right for you? By the end of this video, you will know exactly what makes Sencha and Matcha so special and how to choose the perfect brew for your lifestyle. For starters, the biggest difference lies in how they're grown and processed. Sencha tea leaves are grown in direct sunlight, leading to a lighter, crafty flavor. Matcha, on the other hand, is shade-grown, allowing the roots to develop a vibrant color and a rich, umami taste. This simple change in farming creates an entirely different tea experience. But there's more to explore than just the flavor. Sencha is typically steeped as whole leaves, resulting in a clear, refreshing brew. Matcha is a powdered tea, whisked into hot water for a creamy, frothy cup. This makes matcha far more concentrated, packing a powerful punch of antioxidants and caffeine compared to sencha. Speaking of caffeine, matcha's energy boost is often described as smooth and sustained, while sencha offers a milder, more calming effect, depending on your energy needs. One may be a better fit than the other. Now let's talk about versatility. Sencha is usually enjoyed as a straightforward cup of tea, appreciated for its simplicity. Matcha, however, has taken the world by storm with its adaptability. From lattes to smoothies and even desserts, matcha has become a global phenomenon. But don't overlook sencha's subtle charm. It pairs beautifully with meals and is often used in Japanese tea ceremonies for its refreshing qualities. In essence, sencha and matcha are two sides of the same coin. One offers a light, crisp experience perfect for daily sipping, while the other delivers a bold, robust flavor that energizes and inspires creativity. Knowing these differences not only helps you appreciate each tea better, but also guides you to make the right choice depending on your mood and occasion. So, what's your favorite sencha or matcha? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more tea insights and hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next video.